Good morning everyone, I hope you're well. In today's lesson we're going to be recapping how to calculate the area of a circle. The reason we're recapping this today is because it's going to be really helpful next lesson when we move on to finding the volume of a cylinder. Okay, so it's been a really long, hard and challenging term. We spent a lot of time in front of a screen, haven't been able to go outside the house much, so I thought it would be nice if we all order some Domino's pizza. Okay, so before we order our pizza, I would like your help. Okay, so Domino's have got two special offers on. So they're saying, well, we can either get a 12-inch pizza for £7.99, or for that same price, we can get two 8-inch pizzas for £7.99. So I would like us to choose which deal is better. So for the sake of the problem, let's just say that we're all really hungry and we would like as much pizza as possible, and that we're not complete psychopaths who don't enjoy Domino's pizza. Okay, so for us to solve this problem, we need to remind ourselves that the area of a circle is calculated with this formula. So it's pi r squared, so pi multiplied by the radius squared. So let's focus on this 12-inch pizza first of all. So here's a pizza. By 12-inch pizza, what that actually means is this length here. Do you remember what this length is called? So this length is my diameter. So a 12-inch pizza, that means a pizza with a diameter of 12 inches. Okay, but area of a circle formula, so pi r squared, that's not to do with the diameter. R means the radius. If the diameter is 12, what is the radius of this pizza? Well, this pizza has a radius of 6, because as you can see on the little animation I've made, the radius is half of a diameter. So now that I know the radius is 6, I am ready to use my formula. So it's pi multiplied by the radius squared. So I'm doing pi multiplied by 6 squared. 6 squared is 36, so the area of this pizza is 36 pi inches squared. In a question, if they ask you to leave it in terms of pi, I will just write 36 pi, and this is my answer. However, you could also write the actual number, so you can write it without pi. So in my calculator, I will type in 36 times by pi, and that tells me that this pizza has an area of 113.04 inches squared when I round it to 2 decimal places. Okay, so that's how much pizza I get for the 12-inch pizza deal. But how much pizza do I get if I order two 8-inch pizzas? Well, let's work it out. Well, each pizza has a diameter of 8, and we know that a radius is half of the diameter. So my 8-inch pizzas have a radius of 4 inches each. Okay, so let's use my formula. So area is pi times by the radius squared, so it's pi times 4 squared, and 4 squared is 16. So the area of one of these pizzas is 16 pi. However, I don't have one pizza, I have two pizzas in this deal, so I need to double this figure. Double 16 pi is 32 pi, so this is my answer in terms of pi, and if I want to write my answer without pi, in my calculator I'm just going to type in 32 times by pi, and that tells me that the area of pizza that I get is 100.48 inches squared. So let's answer the question, which deal should I go for? Do I want the 12-inch pizza or two 8-inch pizzas? Well, some people get quite surprised by this answer, but if you order a 12-inch pizza, you are getting more pizza. So you are getting over 10 square inches more pizza. So next time you're ordering Domino's, you can actually use this formula to work out how much pizza you're actually getting and see which deals are better. Okay, so please can you find the classwork on my post on Google Classroom. So it's basically a worksheet with lots of exam test style questions, all to do with finding the area of a circle. So it's just a mixture of revision questions that's going to really set us up nicely for next lesson when we bring circles into volume problems. So it's very, very vital that we remember how to do this skill. If you get stuck at all, please just let me know and I'll be more than happy to help you. Alright, thanks very much guys, good luck with the task.